my C6 Corvette, which is the first year of the C6, 2005, has got the typical Corvette problem in that the door pads are hard to open. The way they're engineered is just simply two contacts coming together when you squeeze the door, and they can become dirty and corroded. So let's go take a look at mine and see if we can fix it. Key fob nearby. It's hard to get this door open. On this door, being the driver's side, it does take a little bit of effort. I'm going to show you how to fix that. It's real easy to remove. Just two cross-tip fasteners. Once those two screws are removed, just slide this away from the car. The housing, this is the pad rafter. Just disconnect the cannon plug in the back. And taking it out. Next step, if you're no guy like me, is find some good light. Take out these screws. There's enough dirt and corrosion in there. I think cleaning it will help. This is just some real fine steel wool, and I want something with a little bit of abrasive, so I'm going to try the chrome polish here. Let's see if that works. This part here is pretty stable, but this one is real thin metal, so be careful not to bend those tabs. Just clean it the way you think's best. Steel wool looks pretty good. Everything's nice and shiny now. This part also cleaned, ready for re-installation. Check your terminals inside. I'm not getting good light for you all to see, but I checked them. There's all clean connections there. Also, no rips on the pad here. This is what protects your circuit, so make sure there's no rips or tears in that. And I think it's ready to put back on. Test. Let's try one finger. Oh yeah. Let's try it towards the top. Middle. Nice. Alright. I'll get the other side done. You don't have to hang around for that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.